My goal for today is to fill this long side, so we'll have a 20-foot planting row. That's my ultimate goal today, is to be able to plant here. So now Melanie won't be able to harvest tomatoes to the top, but I will. Okay, I can harvest all the way up to here. So as long as we keep them in reach and we get tomato plants in here, that's fine. Melanie can comfortably reach here without hitting her under her elbows here. She thought it was really tall, but we don't have to bend over. It's perfect. It is absolutely comfortable this way for both of us. Way, way, way better. This is going to be the best gardening we've ever done doing this. There's a lot of benefits for my modified Hugelkultur that I'm doing here. This is a modified Hugelkultur garden method. And so literally, if you look that up, you'll see how I'm going to fill these beds. That's cool because that's cutoffs that I had from my own lumber mill on the top arm rail. That's really cool. Now I'm going to later add some nails in there for strength. The screws for preventing backing out, and the nails for strength. And just for extra. But there's the armrest all the way across. Took 3 pieces of wood that I had cut off from logs that on my own lumber mill, so that's pretty cool to use them like that. Now I can run boards across the top to tie them in and stop the shakiness. Right here I've got a scrap I'll put across the top. I'm going to screw one in, measure it, screw it in, cut off the edge. I'm going to cut this off. Anything excess is fill material, meat for down below. That's solid, that's rock solid, good. I'm going to do the same over here. And we're going to have a really strong grow bed, see? Really good. I'll do that one next. Okay, this part is done. I think it'll look better when the bark is off and the wood is dried out. I'm liking it though. It's unique. And, oh, I'm hanging on weeds. I like it. I still have to close in the end wall, and then we're going to start hauling stuff to fill this up. I just experimentally dropped a drop cloth in there and stapled it up, and I think it's going to work well. I want to protect the wood from rot with time, And this is a little bit heavier drop cloth. So I think there's enough to drape around. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with it. I'm going to staple it on better so it doesn't fall down on me. And start filling this. Obviously I got to finish going around here and around the corner and do the end piece. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill this 20-foot row first and start planting tonight, and then I can continue on around the corner as I can with time. But we've got to get our plants in. Well guys, there's more than half of our greenhouse. I have 30 feet of grow space now done. So I've got the plastic in, and I threw down some wood to hold it in place and to make sure it would not pull on the edges when I start filling this, because I don't want the weight of the stuff down below to pull on the edges. So there it is, everything in place. The wind is blowing, so I'm going to have to be careful to put something against there. I threw a piece of pallet in the corner. I'm using all the scraps now that I have left over to fill them. So there it is. That'll be the end of this video. I think it's long enough with my pitiful internet. That'll be it for today. So part of the greenhouse ready to go. Tell me what you think. Obviously I've got to get the bark off and let that dry, but I think it's going to be beautiful. Pretty neat, huh? Might even put a trim piece there. Alright guys, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. We've got a greenhouse. And Hugelkultur. This is going to be Hugelkultur. So maybe I'll explain that another time. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Follow our daily videos again as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. We're getting there again, guys. This is going to be an answer to all my problems with the freezing and the frost and the misery of the weather that we have and the drought, because Hugelkultur holds the moisture. Be sure to hit that bell icon as well to get notifications when I upload a video. Talk to you later.